So what does it look like to win the game of life? What is the feeling like? I want you to take your minds back to a moment in time, if you ever had this experience, where you were just about to sit an exam. You walk in to the examination hall and you are so prepared for that exam. And you open the exam paper and all the questions are the questions that you knew were going to come, and you are well prepared for them, and you look around you and everybody else looks worried. Oh, I didn't prepare for that question. Just for a moment, as a thought experiment, try and feel, what does that feeling feel like? You walk into the exam room and you're so prepared. It's not a happiness, it's a confidence. It's not joy, it's santusht. It's, I know, I got this. Right? You're not happy, you're not sad, you're just so confident that this is going my way because I'm prepared. That's what it feels like to win this game. Imagine that moment in every scenario in life. In every scenario in life, no matter what is happening outside, there's something inside you that says, you can't touch me. I'm okay. I'm solid. Is that what your life is like? Or is it a daily struggle? Is it a daily chase? The gurus are saying, do what you want, you can't take this. What I have inside me, you can't take it. The Bhagats are saying, what I have inside me, whether you understand it, whether you don't understand it, whether you've experienced it or not experienced it, not my problem. You cannot take this away from me. We talk about this, it can't be burnt, it can't be drowned, it can't be stolen from me. There's a preparedness. Imagine that feeling every day, at every moment, no matter what horrors you're seeing around you, there's something inside you that is still and stable. This isn't a happiness that we're all chasing. We're all chasing joy, pleasures. But Gurbani is talking about being neutral, being very still, sahaj. Sahaj is a different feeling. Now go back to that exam feeling. Apply the word sahaj. It's just stillness. It's a confidence. It's a stability. What if you could live like that all the time?